Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will find out how to extract radiomics features in Slicer. In short, we will install required plugins, load data, segment region and extract radiomics features. The link to the used dataset you can find in the description. Okay, so first before all we should install the required plugins for Slicer. Click on Extensions Manager and insert radiomics. Okay, this module is for calculating radiomics features. Also insert PAT tumor segmentation to segmentation ROI. Okay, restart requested, so restart Slicer. Okay, now click on load DICOM data, import DICOM files, data, CD3 for example, import. Okay, double click on patient name. Okay, click here to change the display scan. Okay, next select module segmentations, create new segmentation, add segment, edit selected and activate PAT tumor segmentation module. Okay, now select interest region on the slice, for example this. It's very visible for me, I'm not expert. The algorithm marks this volume on the other slices in the XYZ axis. Okay, we can generate the volume. Click on Show 3D. Okay, we can see the volume. We can also show the body or bones of the patient. Click on Volume Rendering module. Select volume, click on eye, okay, and set preset. Okay. Okay, when we have volumes, we can calculate radiomics features or save these segments. To save, click on Save button and select segmentation. At this level we can export scans to NRRD file format, as you can see. Okay. Yes. Okay. To extract radiomics features, find the radiomics module. Okay. Select input image volume. Okay. Select the region. Click on extraction customization and click on all features. Okay. With default settings, click Apply. Okay. can see that radiomics features are calculated separately for segment 1 and potentially for other segments. And in the end, we can export the table. Click on the table, save. Okay. Thanks for your attention.